Hello there, I'm Hassam Kucheki, and in today's video we're going to learn more about binary search engine and programming exercise for the course information retrieval in the university. In this repository you can find the dataset, you can find the README, a PDF that is work report, and the main.py, which is the main code of this exercise. Here you can see an introduction. After all of these images are created by Midjourney AI, and some of these texts are created using ChatGPT. Uh, Here in the I need to mention that in main.py we have all these codes, but here we split them and give a short description about what each piece of code does. Here we can see the data dictionary and file names of our database. Obviously, because of the huge size of the dataset, we are using only one file of this dataset. So we can process and handle the file faster. Here we can load the dataset into the program, and here we tokenize them, remove the uh, extra lines, remove the low quality lines, and here we can uh, split the dataset and load it into the files in our program. We can here a step-to-step guide, and after that we reach the create dictionary or vocabulary. Uh, Here again we have an empty dictionary. Here we load the items into the dictionary, and here we prompt the user that we have loaded this amount of tokens. Sorry, document. Here is documents, and here we have tokens. Here we use itertools and function chain to flatten all of the data. Also, we have here a step-to-step guide. After that, with creating posting list, we are going to create the posting list using this piece of code. Because of the, again, huge size of dataset, we are only going to use hundreds of examples in this exercise. And here we again tokenize and appending a tag ID for each token. After that, we prompt the user. Also, we are in more detail in this description. Here we are going to write the posting list to a file. Make sure that you have this file available here, and we are going to posting list items here and writing them into the file in an appropriate format. After that, we are seeing the interactive search engine, which is help us to work with the program. Here we can show the document to the user. Also, we get inputs of doc ID. And here again, if it's not returned, we show in the formatted version of the code. And here again, we prompt the user to input, and if something bad happened or others, we prompt the user with an error. Also, there is a more detailed description. After that, the main part of the program, we define the border to beautify the program, and here we start while true to keep the program running, and we can prompt the user to search for words to look in the dataset. Here we handle multiple word search if plus is in the query. Here we can input the query. If plus is in that word, it means the user is going to do multiple search, and we stripped the words here. We also create a bundle here, and here we can see the results that are going to be available for both or all of the words. And here we flatten the list to have a 1D array, and also we only print minimum of length of the list or 15 results. After that, this is the single word search, which is the simpler version of the multiple word search. We can use this with this code, and after that we have the not found. Unfortunately, Midjourney couldn't create beautiful image 404 image for this part. And these are some screenshots of running the code. You can see these documents are loaded, and we can see this interactive UI. Here we try to search the word level, and here it returns us these documents that contain the word level. After that, we search for this document, and it returns the contents of that document. And if we look into it, we can probably find the word level. Here is level. After that, we can input another document ID to show, and this is again another document showed with level after the previous one. Here we can see the output for multiple word search. We search for level and begin. We can see these documents are containing both level and begin, and in this, if we ask to show these documents, we can see begin and level in this document. And if we search a word that is not in our database, we can see this error and this beautiful image created by Midjourney. Thanks for your attention. I hope it helps. Take care.